Laundry is a tiresome chore. Washing, drying, sending them to the door before ironing, and not getting it back on time. Fortunately, Deccan coach builders and Nidhi engineers have designed a state-of-the-art solution for a common consumer problem and for entrepreneurs to invest in: the mobile laundry van. Drive the vehicle to any part of the city and set it up in just 15 minutes. The mobility gives you the flexibility of choosing clients at no sunk cost. From large apartment groups and villa communities to hotels, hospitals and corporates, thousands of people in every city are looking for a quick and affordable laundry service. A compact yet spacious design for maximum workflow. 3 high-performance washers provide spotless cleaning. 3 commercial-grade ironing boards make sure that clothes can be immediately pressed after drying, and they come with their own power sockets. Large capacity stack dryers can dry a large number of clothes in every cycle. All the equipment provides a quick wash at an effective cost. All this is powered by an inbuilt generator, so you need not depend on unreliable energy sources. You can begin your laundry business with a small staff of just 3 to 4 people. To pick up and drop off clothes, a custom motorcycle too can be designed as per your needs. The In a Day No Hassle Laundry Van is a solution to all your laundry problems. Call us or visit our website. Let's make the world a cleaner place.